Good afternoon, students. See, now we are going to see that continuous data in standard deviation, and the question is calculate the standard deviation and CV for the following distribution. So here class frequency is given. See, actually standard deviation for the continuous data is sigma equal to the square root of summation fd square divided by n minus summation fd by n to the whole square into c, and CV is nothing but standard deviation divided by x bar into 100. So this is the formula for the calculate the standard deviation for the given question, standard deviation and CV. So here the class is given, frequency is given. By using this, write the class as it is. So write the frequency f, and we also calculate the d. D is nothing but x minus a divided by n. Here x is to be that mid values. So write that mid value. Next mid value is to be x. Next d equal to x minus a divided c. Next d square fd square. Open the table column. One has to be the class, next one frequency, that is the given question, rate as it is. Next we are going to find that, so we are open a column for mid values, and then d square, fd square. So these are the tabular columns we need to calculate the standard deviation and CV. See here, first standard deviation we are going to see that. So write that what are the values is a class and frequency is given, right as it is. So the class is 0 to 4, 4 to 8, and 8 to 12, 12 to 16, and then 16 to 20, 20 to 24, and 24 to 28. Here the corresponding frequencies are 4, 5, 8, 13, 7, 2, then 1. Here the mid values is nothing but the what is the class is given, just add this to divide 2. So add this 2 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Next 12 divided by 2 is 6. Next 12 to 8 is 20 divided by 2 is 10. Next 28 divided by 2 14. Next 18, and then 22, 26. Next in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we are going to assign that assumed mean. In this data we are the middlest one. In this one the middlest term is 14. So assign the middlest term is assumed mean. Now subtract this by the each and every element. So 2 minus 14 is 2 minus 14 divided by c. Size of the class is 4. So right here the c value is 4. That means the size of the class. So 2 minus 4 is minus 12. Minus 12 divided by 4 is minus 3. So this value is minus 3. The next value, we know that next value is exactly minus 2. The next value is to be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, d square. So make a square of this, what the data we get in d. So write that 9, this has 4, 1 square is 1, 0, 1, 4, and then 9. Next fd, we know the d value and the f value. If you multiply these two, we get minus 12. Next minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. Next minus 1 into 8, minus 8. Next 0, 7 into 1 is 7. 2 into 2 is 4. Next 1 into 3 is 3. Next fd square. See, fd square is nothing but f is there, f is here, and the d square is here. So 9 into 4 is 36. 4 into 5 is 20. Next 1 into 8 is 8. 13 into 0 is 0. 1 into 7 is 7, 4 into 2 is 8, 9 into 1 is 9. Now total it. So what we want here, FD square total we need. So FD square, what is that FD square? 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 7 is 24, 24 plus 8 is 32, 32 and 20 is 52, 52 is this 88 for that FD square. Next, and FD total also we know. So here the negative is there and then positive value. So separately add that negative value and positive value and find the differences. So the positive value is 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 3 is 14. Positive value. The negative value, sum of the negative value is 18. 18 minus 12 and then 30. So minus 30. So minus 30. The difference is to be this two 16. The most negative value is minus, so put that minus 16. So here this value is minus 16. Next, capital N. Capital N is nothing but sum of the frequency. So if add the frequencies, 9, 17, 17, this is 30, 37, 39, 40. The sum of the frequency is 40. So now calculate the standard deviation. The standard deviation formula is there. So write that square root of summation FD square is 88 divided by 40 minus sum of FD is minus 16 divided by 40 to the whole square into C is 4, which is equal to, see here 88 divided by 4 is the square root of this, as 1 0 crosses you put a point, 4 2s are 2.2, this has 2.2. 80 divided by 40 is nothing but 88 divided by 40 is nothing but 2.2 minus 16 divided by 40. 16 divided by 40 is 0.4 whole square into 4. See in this one 2.2 minus 0.4 is 0.4 square is 0.4 square is nothing but 0.16 into 4. See 2.2 minus 0.16 is nothing but 2.04, square root of 2.04. See square root of 2.04 is 1.428 is there, so take two decimal places, so 43 into 4, two decimal places enough for this. So now multiply 1.43 into 4 is 5.72. 5.72 as the standard deviation for the given question. And we also calculate the CV. So we want to know the CV means, actually the formula CV is nothing but standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean. Now we are going to calculate the mean. X bar is equal to A plus summation FD by N into C. This is the formula for the continuous series for the arithmetic mean. Here A value is 14, summation FD is minus 16, N is to be 40, C has to be 4. So 14 plus 16 by 4 is, here 4 ones are, 4 tens are. So this is minus 1.6. Plus into minus is minus. So 14 minus 1.6 is 14 minus 1.6 is 12.4 is the mean. Now we can easily calculate the CV. We know the X bar and standard deviation. See now CV CV is nothing but coefficient of variation is nothing but sigma divided by x bar into 100. So sigma is equal to 5.72 divides 12.4 into 100. See 5.72 divides 12.4, so 0.46 into 100 into 100, the value is 46.129. So write 13. This is C. Thank you guys.